Okay, just to finish this one day, February 1st, about 8:30 tonight, Friday, and we just finished up some of our filming. Stephanie's with us. We're going to do a quick selfie, and I know we all want to get home.
Today was miserable.
We are the future. Someday, someday, we're gonna rule the world. I know someday we're gonna rule the world.
Oh, hey, what are you guys doing down there? Come here. I didn't leave you guys behind. I know it feels like I might be slacking on the Jitz University vlogs, but I've been working my face off, so I don't actually feel that bad. But here's episode number 2, guys, and as you can see, some things have changed. We have our office we're super excited about. Humble beginnings. We are definitely hustlers. We really just have the necessities that we need, although recently, we just upgraded, so I added some monitors, some extra camera gear, so my creativity mojo is really strong right now. So, well, let me show you real quick. Let me do a little montage for you guys, and then after the montage, we'll get into the vlog. Let's check it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little video montage of our office, but you didn't come here just to see an office and some computer screens and monitors and where we hang out most of the time. Definitely me. This definitely been my places to spend all my time. But you guys didn't come here to see all that. There's been a lot that's been going on this past month, so let's take you back, guys. Professor Chris, what are we up to today?
A big day for Jitz University. We got our brand new fancy shirts in, and it's filming day. We are basically moving our entire Jitz University platform from Kajabi over to Teachable, and we are just beefing it up. Today we're going to be focusing on our business department inside of Jitz University, and we are going to be teaching people the mindset that they've got to bring to the table, their success mindset, productivity mindset, their money mindset, and then we're going to be talking about hitting the target with their customer avatars, and then the most important, the lifeblood of your business. So we're really excited to bring a brand new Jitz University 2.0 platform to you guys.
Awesome. Got a lot to do. Let's get to it. Alright, just to be real, we kind of started to film. We had to go back to Gracie Pack 3 times for other things to try to make the ambiance and the feel look exactly how we want it to feel. A little issue with after school vans, some other things, and now we're ready to begin. So, just to throw it out there, guys.
5 hours later.
Nothing ever goes as planned, okay?
Later.
Now, but here's where mindset comes into play, right? That's exactly what we're about to go into. The first thing we're going to cover with the business department, right, is mindset. Dude, if we had different mindsets, we would just say, just call it a day, okay? But we're going to be here until, you know, we...
Late.
Late, yeah. That's the word,
and
late.
Early tomorrow,
Yep.
and early the next day.
Alright guys, just want to be as transparent as possible with you guys with this vlog.
Yeah, the reason why we win is because we don't mind being in the dirt.
Something I've been thinking about a lot. It's this notion of the clouds and the dirt. It's kind of like another version of my steak in the sizzle.
Fabrics that's average.
Nope.
We don't mind being in the dirt at all. We can be in the dirt every day.
Every day.
And still come back because we know we're going to get to be in the clouds.
Hell yeah, man. That's what matters. That's what matters. That's what pushes you forward, too. There you go, Gary V, if you're watching.
I've been looking for a way out. I can't find my way now. I
just need you by my side. Lately, I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back.
When you're showing up to these trainings, how are you feeling? It's imperative that we have an abundant mindset, right? Welcome to the business department inside of Jitz University. I'm your professor, Chris Rodriguez, and class is in session. After they get that agreement signed and they just kind of throw their students to the wolves, you've got to have a step-by-step process for the first couple of weeks when they just join your academy. The extent to which your academy makes a new member feel welcome. We want to set them up for success so they end up being a long-term member. So let's jump in and dissect what each one of these days look like. Just whatever. New member signs up with us. They are awarded their belt from their. I gotta think about how I want to explain this.
February 3rd, Sunday, 5:30 p.m.
Whoop whoop.
Still at it. That's it. Nothing fancy.
I've been looking for a way out. I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately, I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back.
What are you up to?
You got that recording?
No. She's doing numbers.
Never look back.
Alright, I'm heading out of the office and I'm in a rush like always. You know, it's funny when you run so many different projects and have so many different roles. You feel like everything's a rush, everything's important, everything has to be done now. So you gotta have a good balance on understanding what's important and to make sure that you don't stress out too much. So right now I'm rushing, I gotta go to a meeting, and then I gotta get ready to teach, and then I gotta film during teaching, and then I gotta do interviews, and then I gotta go back to here. So there's a lot going on, as always.
When you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone, and you're staring back at me. And you're staring back at me.
Chris, and they're working, as always. And this is our super amazing rock star program director, Coach Anna. Coach Anna, say hi to the vlog.
Hello!
She's amazing. She kills it every month. Super proud. And just got done doing a Student of the Month interview for our kids Student of the Month. So we do a little quick highlight reel, 2 to 3 minutes tops. And this is Chandra. She's awesome Ninja 2. This is Jason here. What's up, vlog? So, real quick, what's going on, vlog? It is about 2:06 a.m., February 8th. I worked all day, taught classes, worked immediately done after I was done training and teaching. And there's so much to do. You know, it's funny how much work there is, and there's going to be, and as we're building and growing, but like, everything's exciting. Everything's just super meaningful and thrilling, and the type of ideas and creative that I have in my head and the things that I'm learning, so much amazing content and ideas and things that I want to execute and implement here coming up in the next few days, a few weeks, a few months. I haven't eaten since yesterday. Working on the new Jitz 2.0 platform. Super excited about that. And I think I'm going to go eat now and hopefully fall asleep. All right, see ya. All right, for the vlog, guys. So break down.
I'm gonna get yelled at again.
him to be quiet.
All right, so we just had a meeting. Who did we meet with, and how do you guys feel about that?
Yeah, we met with
Mr.
Mr. Michael Perry of MAIA. He is basically in charge of MAIA Edge, which is a website platform that provides anything and everything a martial arts school owner would need to be successful. And we had a wonderful meeting with him, kind of broke down what our game plan is. They're looking for us to bring them some new members. So we are gonna hopefully be working together. Very exciting.
Cool.
Safe
All
trips.
right, thanks, guys.
All right, thank you. See
Thank you,
ya.
bro.
See you. Keep in touch.
I've been waiting for the world to spin my way. I've been waiting for a glance at the sun. And I've been waiting for the world to spin my way. I've been waiting for a chance, and I think it's finally come. 'Cause I've
Flight okay?
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good to see you.
Two.
How's everything?
Good. Michael, this is David.
Hey, what's
pleasure.
going on?
What's up,
Good
brother?
to
How are
see
you,
Nice
man?
to meet
Good.
Good, good.
All right, come on
All
down.
right, let's do it.
This is where your spot is.
Yeah.
Little office.
Efficiency, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is awesome.
All right.
miles above you. Don't care what they're seeing below, 'cause I'm miles above. I'm miles above you. Miles above you.
It takes you to a landing page, actually.
Okay. Well, it does not.
Freaking A.
So yeah, let's just.
Like, you just-
And maybe, hey,
I don't know if
maybe.
that's the caffeine. or-
Yeah.
I think that would be huge for them. And then, giveaways just for if you had an action step, first person to get the action step done. And that action step could be as simple as go post a testimonial on your Facebook page.
Or go like your Instagram account and drop an emoji in the comments, and we'll pick
Yeah,
up
go.
random
Yeah, so if you want to push your
random
YouTube, you
winner.
want to push your Instagram,
Mhm.
go to YouTube
Yeah,
and give us
follow.
give us a subscribe to our channel. But I think a week I could get it done in a week.
Okay.
And just considering all of the filming we still have to do.
Well, here's the deal. Metzger said it. He doesn't want to do anything that's going to hurt you guys.
Yeah.
But at the same token, we want to do something. If we're going to do it, we want to do it the right way.
Yeah.
An email about Cage Fitness, the way that it's structured, getting that into the corporate wellness programs for larger corporations, that would be an easy sell. And the HR departments, they're the ones that would help get the word out, blasting it out, employee health fairs, and all they need is login information.
Yeah. Man.
I'm excited to work on that too.
Hey, I'm Michael Perry with MAIA Edge, and I just got finished talking with Christina Rodriguez and her team. Awesome experience. I'm very excited to see what great things we can do together. Everybody's phenomenal from top to bottom. Some really phenomenal ideas too that I'm excited to implement. Some things that I've got to work on, which I'm excited about too. But most importantly, the idea of us working together as a team is going to be exciting. And I see nothing but great things coming up in the near future. Thanks a lot, guys.
Safe trips.
All right, thanks, guys.
All right,
See ya.
thank you. See
Thank you,
ya.
bro.
See you. Keep in touch.
We'll do.
Hey, I'm Chris.
Hey, I'm Stephanie.
Check out our new videos. Whoop whoop.